Here we are at the side of Loch Ness, standing here in the drizzle. Not going to be a good day. Just looking towards Inverness. Stand here for a while longer and see if we can get a rainbow. Sorry, rainbow. I nearly said wainbow. I think I did. Practice my super smooth panning. Gave the head a grease up last night. And that's as good as it's going to get. At least the dogs are having some fun with a stick. Drop it now. Oh, he's getting brave in the water. One more go. But it is a dismal day. We'll call it a day and have a wander back. Now, at long last, spring has sprung. 4 or 5 daffodils showing their heads. And now it's really raining, so I'm definitely heading home. The trouble is, home is about 3/4 of a mile away. See, there are no leaves on the trees. I could be sheltering. Where we came down to, we saw the otters down here the other morning, but no sign of anything that interesting now. The sun is coming out again, I think. Should make its mind up.